Jasi natuma tagenda hatatela osi hasumulude chipe amalobozi kuchisende sabule mbaga.
Oh yeah.
Ekiri agenda kusigala waka tejja kuluguma. Olina kusala wanti kibulamu waliwo agamba nti omala budde jangu senga nantume akubangule mu bukondo bw'omukwano. Kulwakutano ngenda kuzo mwezi 15 Julayi Muma Shoprawundi e Lugogo. Kulwomukaaga ngenda kuzo mwezi 16 Julayi Emityana ku Gombolola. Olwo ku Sande Luwera Yugume nga tuli wali mu Nimrod ngenda kuzo mwezi 17 Julayi. Olwo ng'abaagalana abanasinga okwekola ebintu ku siteegi bakwewangulira emitwalo 5 beddu. Tanasooka okugula tikiti e Lugogo wakusasula singi emitwalo 2 ate VIP mitwalo 5. Olwo ate y'emmeeza ebeere ku mitwalo 50 gyokka. Ab'Emityana n'ab'e Luweero singi omutwalo gumu ne VIP singi emitwalo 2. Nebitegekebwa sula mwa events.
Abakyala n'abaami Shukura Pure Herbal Solution ebaletedde sagalo deyo ogamenti bannange ate water baddatya tulese water pills obuzifuna bulungi nnyo. Tuyina Lucky Oil oyo waba wa mukisa. Tuyina omuweebwa obuliddwa ogamba nti bannange empa buli anakutunula kwa tukwadde omuweebwa gwaffe obuva ku Shukura Pure Herbal Solution bajja kubatenga bakuwa buli kimu kyosaba. Infection pills ekyo kiri eri abakyala abalina infection n'abaami abalina infection bannange tuzirina mu bungi ate nga zikolerawo. Tight oil abakyala olyeyo wetaaga akantu akakutayitinga akakwatako bakutukeko baga nti banange omwana ono senga banange buli kimu kyabala waali tuwabirese. It is Shukura twakuledde buli kimu. Tutuke ku namba y'essimu 0782555642 oba ku 075188443 atengeera Shukura tusangibwa kati wali eri mu Town Zone. Shukura Herbal Pure Solutions wejanjabe osirike.
Gonza musindika ya sente eri abagalwa abo mu nyaffe Uganda ng'okwisa enkola ya tap send enkola eno nnungi ate nga yeesigika. Kati genda mu simu yo odownloadinge app ya tap send TAP olwono nawe weeyunge ku mpeereza ennungi mu kusindikira abagalwa abo. Kozesa promo code
Kasuku
nga toyawuddeemu. Abali mu UK ojja kufuna pound 10, Europe ojja kufuna euros 10, USA ojja kufuna dollars 10,
Canada
ojja kufuna dollars 10. Ate nga kino kisinzira mu nsi mw'obaoli. Kati gwe abadde atawaanyizibwa mu kusindika ensimbi eri abagalwa abo. Okumanya ebisingako okufuna app ya tap send ebifudde byangu nga tukusindikira abagalwa baffe ensimbi mu bwangu ddala.
Bakati awo wetandikidde senamulya kati kale ebintu byesibizibu. Senamulya abaddewo nga muyita linnya lyo Semuliba kati ate agenze kati ate gwe bita Senamulya. So guys, how are you? Ono Juice sister wange yamuleeseeka omuwulidde. Mwitirifu. So guys, how are you this morning? I hope you are doing well. What's this video aletebera ya morning? Era yaddako. Njagala kusooka kubuuzaako baana ba Nuupu. Abaana ba Nuupu abali e Canada. Abaana ba Nuupu abali e Canada wabalabye? Abana ba Nuupu ababadde Canada mbabuzzaako nnyo kyuma kya Yesu. Kyuma kya Yesu wamulabye. Naye sebe byana byenaalemu ebyo. Kati soke tubuze ku birthday boy. Aha. Soko se ku mask. Kiteke ko wansi kati kundu aza Kasuku. Yeah. Biriya byana sports byo musibamu ebituya n'ebirenzi n'ebiwala. Ngate bikulwazanga.
Gamba Kasuku.
So no Patrick Kanyomozi district birthday boy. Birthday boy like kwa walya. Inaku ndo kyakubira ddala. Kubeera otulinda abafajjo obajukize.
Yanya molu plasa. Negwe nga nkulabikira nga ayinza okulya.
Netosobola. Obugumu bwoliko. Olafu abali campaign team yo watugana otutwala mu phone.
Kasuku nkutwala kata.
ulira.
Kata era ekirungi boss awulira.
Boss awulide.
Takusubira kola no
December siriwo. Ojja kuleta bulesi baana bo bachape naye nga nzi ng'omuntu. President wa USPA angambye. Naye USPA no ogifunyemu nnyo.
Ate kiriwo.
Ekoze time eno gy'obadde.
Ekoze.
Emikolo.
Ate nze nfunyemu bayefunyemu.
Okomawo.
Aneda sebo.
Ebisanja bibiri.
Ebisanja bibiri buli kimu kya myaka egi.
Kati guno gwe gusembu.
Sebo era mu office ndimu emyezi ngena.
Wasika akikwatemu.
Akwata mu cyane nawe wasika. Ojese malwa guro. Agenda avuga abazanya rude. Ekitende.
Wasigeze mbadde kuyiriddewo mubiri. Kale n'oyo bwayogerako. Speech ye gye yasooka okukola ng'amaze okumulonda yamuli emabega wano nga yamugaadinga. Yebaza campaign manager nga yamuli emabega wano.
Ne mugamba otya nanyiri luseke.
Sebo ngabe nakubadde oluseke.
Oyinenge nijo mukube misumali nange bwefuna ku.
Naye nina oluseke lwe nakubye ne Ruth Kalibala ku weekend.
Mwalo kubya.
Twakubye lwa amata. Twasoose katwe fresh diary awo ne tuvaawo ne tugenda ku Dembe distributors. Eka abaana obedda bajja mata mu mmotoka mata. Daddy, you bought milk because yes. Yogurt, mata, mugati.
Amata ni mago gali nyebbe.
Ne sukali batugambye naye akabeyi kadda waggulu. Naye nga abaana
ebintu byammwe government yammwe Kasuku bajiwujiza obunyama.
Sebo ngalo najiwujiza dio obunyama. Ngabe najiwujiza dio obunyama. Government y'ababalamu. Balamu babadde naye waliwo ekintu babalamu kye baakoze. Babadde wa Canada. Chuma cha Yesu nga beekyanga. Nakabira yasoose. Babadde ku NRM conference. Bwe bamaze ne balamu najja. N'abalala nga beekalakasa n'afunye emikono bati n'abasekerera. Noza mulinga agamba abasiru. Naye banaye abasajja abo. Naye abaana bakikoze kye bakoze. Naye era Abannayuganda nga be babeera ku social media. Wabaddewo abantu nga 8.
Leka naawe.
Oba 15.
Babadde basukkamu.
Babadde nga babeka.
Kamera angle yabaddeko obuzibu. Abaana babadde bangi.
Mwatandise ne kamera angle kati.
Babadde bawera naawe. Nze nga natu nalabye waliwo video nalabye nga red wonna.
Naye
pressure inokubera
pressure inobaawo. Ekyo nabagaddeko tebazikiza. Kyuma kya Yesu namulabye ng'ekintu akikutte. N'emmanya naye kyuma kya Yesu alidda.
Kyuma kya Yesu ezombi oba tinti. Nalabye ekirezi.
Kyuma kya Yesu musajja mukulu.
Nedda ssebo.
Kyuma kya Yesu we batandika WBS.
Olimba.
Kyuma kya Yesu tojjukira nti bamukuba ku mulembe gwa Kayihura edda. Era yo obuzibu bwe yalina nabo bwali bumu tebamunyigaayo. Naga nti musobola kunkuba mukulibe nga temunyigaayo.
Mwana muto.
Ayina emyaka
lwakuba bamucunya nnyo bamukuba nnyo bantu.
Ekyo nate kisoboka. Ayina emyaka nga 3 mu emeka.
Nga 38 awo.
Kyuma kya Yesu aweza 4. Naye kyuma kya Yesu mugumu.
Mugumu era ngeri.
Be bano asajja abakuba ku kidima.
Musajja mugumu kuvadda.
Kuvadda.
Sajja yekwata ku motoka bwati ne buleta bameka tava.
Nze namusanyukirako Kobebe yagenda ebweru. Kuba wano baba kyali kigaanye. Abasajja baali bamutidde.
Ere wano waliwo bwe kitalemye.
Buli omu kimulemye era ffenna
kitulemye.
Tuli ku bwamayinja kati gwe ekirungi ky'olina bw'ofuna wano 8 gwa wano. Ne mukyala we 5 ze erizafuna.
Omunana
nyumba mwine 13.
Omunana za Uganda.
Era mugenda omalako emijjako fees w'abaana n'ebibala n'ebakola ki nga mwinawo omusango.
Nakimanyi omunana tegukyasobola kuteeka sapa ku table.
Omunana era kati tegukyasobola. Naye se omusajja baatunyonnyola nti singa bagezaako okusubsidizing ebintu ebimu economy ejja menyeka.
Ezo zonna story.
Ngamba wayi. Naye birthday boy yono kansoke mbawe kuba
Kasuku yabadde engaged.
Nabadde engaged.
Yabadde n'omukulu nalabye ssebo bakutingewa. Wakamwezi not address.
Keynote address ya lwakusatu. Ya Rotary. Omanyi waliwo abantu nabagamba ndi w'amaanyi ne bagamba amaanyi ki? Oyino nga ndi serebu wamwe. Weyogeza oyasama. Kati naye bakuyite ku Rotary oyogereko nabo. Ndio timyecho. Bakuyite ku Tuesday ngenda kubeera ku Rotary Club of Bwebajja.
Ng'omwogezi
omukulu abantu bakuŋŋaane mbawe kyendowooza naye waliwo omusiru amanyirira wano tannantegeera idiot of a person babeera okwo naye aga nti Kasuku tolina kyoli naye ng'era balaba Kasuku fools idiots nobaleka noga nti well 1,000 flies can't stand in the of a broom kyekyo kambawe gundi kambawe chuba cha Yesu ne banne ate komeo kuchidda kanyomozi happy belated birthday wasike nali njagala muwa bintu byo enaku zino embeera gyalimu I don't know how to komewa right now.
Our power, we have no conversation. We have no conversation with you. We have no conversation. People power.
We don't have medicine in our hospitals. People are dying. And you are coming to where we came to seek refugee because people are dying every day. We cannot allow you in Canada where you're doing all this. Where people are dying in our country. People are dying.
We can't.
People are dying.
You are in the wrong place. Putting on yellow.
Use that money to build the schools. Use that money to build the
People power. People power. People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Tuyina minister Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa omu kubakolera dictator Yoweri Museveni atenga naye akimanyi nti Museveni ensi yonna yamukyawa naye akimanyi ne Katonda we akimanyi nti abasinga obungi tuli wano ku mawanga kubanga twatuka olw'okuba embeera si nnungi buli omu lindako katono kyakubanja n'okubanja sente zalina nakukolera sente kaakati nyaba ekituleese wano sigamba nti tesina byakukola abantu bano bonna balina emirimu gyabwe ne tulumwa olw'ensi yaffe omuti gwa sabbuuni gutuuka tutya ku mutwalo ogumu mu 2,000 ng'abantu banaku Segirinya Sewanyana n'abasibe ebyobufuzi byaggwa dda.
Now banaye mwalabi accident eyaguddewo omuwala yabadde mulungi ng'amaze baadaga nga graduating LDC 29th this month. There is so many things being associated luzungu lubadde luganyawo luzungu lubadde lukuttemu alaiko kwa yadde boyfriend wembo so munayo omwana ng'afa ka video sijja kusobola kabalaga because of YouTube got sensitive what, but man, it was terrible. It was terrible. Naye kitukomyawo wali abantu bayigo vuga obulungi abantu bayigo vuga obulungi n'okwetegereza si mu byakisi nti oba mu blaming anyone but yeah Abanayuganda tulina omuze tetwagala ku omanyi mu nsi ezo zi Europe wa waloke bayita stop bw'oba ojja ffe mu Uganda wano tulina ekizibu omuntu aveere ku speed at 7 n'ayingira Buyingizi junction n'ayingira Buyingizi koona so twemanyiza okusooka okusibangamu 40 seconds 1 minute olabe ekive nekiveeri bwe wabeera clear tugende wa video bw'ogiraba omusajja teyasiba ng'abalala basibye yasibyemuko waayi bintu byakisiru ebyo abantu bafudde kokamaze ekinnuma era nkyogeddeko ne wali nze ekinnuma abavubuka abo boolabaye omuntu ng'okoze ssente zo ozifunye ng'ozinyumiddwaye kugamba waliwo omuntu omulanga omusajja adde avuga blutech architect mukyala we nga agenda kubeera lawyer ng'obalaba ebifaananyi omusajja namulabye ng'ayambala engatto za bbeeyi engoye zimunyumira kati waliwo ebivubuka biyina ssente bizikukusa bukukusa balinga be babba abazibba obubbi omuntu n'abeeraawo oyina ssente zo ozikoze kale be bw'oba ozibbye nze ssente y'okubba nemejjiwoomerwa sijagala njagala nnyo omuntu bw'ofuna ssente gula ennyumba ye eyakabya ekkololo gizimba oba ogizimbye eggayaaza okitegeera bw'oba osazeewo okuteekawo bwa apartment obuteekewo gula benzi yo gula Range Rover Land Rover gendako mu bbaala nnyo ne banno mulye munywe abaana bo batwale banyumirwe ekyokuvuga kyo simanyi but nze sikikola senga saatomerwa akawunyemu teyeetaaga kukomawo ku bintu bye tuyina ku bizibu bye tuyina Museveni ekyo ensonga yo kashu kyamugumiikiriza bye bintu ng'ebyo kawunyemu obutabaawo ntuli banyiivu naye balabye abaana Sri Lanka bataddeko TV nga biraba ku CNN naye baaba naye ne pulezidenti waabwe yadde munaku oba obutebe bwe nalabye bwe baadde batuddemu nga bulingo newange sibuyina n'akanaabiro bwe kati alinga ayingira trini bwemaye kiri entebe wano ofisi ya Museveni gye yali addukiramu nze nange situukangayo naye gwe walaba ofisi ya Museveni gye yali addukiramu eno frontini yaddukanga okuva eri nadde eri ndowooza gafula eno namba akakika vidiyo kyoga Museveni tasobola bidduka ebyo naye wayi nalaba omusajja ng'akuba press-ups awo press-ups zalinga tte wabula bannaye omusajja mumukoyedde ddala naye abantu batubuulire wano Ben Sokojje oli wa people power Ben ezo press-ups za Museveni zaali ze zo zalinga tte yakubemu yokka owa kamera nabi owaye Museveni edita bamukola ki naawe tuleko neno naawe otulemeddeko bulala ng'oyinza osanga nga olina bina bwagabi ng'oyinza osanga ng'omukyala eyafudde yali mbeerera nebina mpa ku Rolex ndyeko obadde olidde mpaako kweyondye bina bebi ku level kwoli tolina kulya nnyo. Don't overeat.
Unless if you allow me to sit on you.
Okay, sit.
Hey!
Wabula banna.
Mayando zanti side eno wapo.
Simanyo banaddaye kate
eyambere mwantu ennyanja.
Ento bali buzibu. Ekatuli mu lusiri kasoko ko bbali.
Erimo ennyanja ate mbisi. Olali ko yagala nsi.
Yadda nje mbisi nzirya. Oyo mwana kayima appetite yeri waggulu.
Yamba juice of
Bali ali akute juice ngani myembozi kayima na njya kusoba mpola namugwamu.
Nya.
Ngafanya yako.
Naye. Obuzibu kayima bwalina buli mumwajja gwa muddagala eritalirirye. Okay. Kasoke mbaye video ka Museveni nga kuba pressure ups wama mutubuulire. Zalinga te oba yazikuba. Bana bannopo abali wano bagambu yakubemu ne bazikola times.
Tumuwengo kaje
Uliro ono bagambi mbu yakubemu na pozinga. Abiri.
nakuba yendala na pozinga.
Never should be ogerera ku kamera ntukula.
Waya achayagala abaana bo mulabako. Ono supu wa Rolex.
Ati gwe njagala kati
Bino mpade Rolex na echireke.
Andi no super. Dawuyo.
Katusoke tulabe ebintu bannaye tudde. Bannaye. ogambye mbu kibbina tutu kibbina lyagamba banna
mama lyotoliraba teriyongangako nno
banna naddayo ewaka already ewange tuli mu lusiri ate nyongereko olwa bbina amanti abakazi obaye abakazi mu butategeera ayinza okuga nti mweyagala ne bbina nomubuuza bbina bebi tweyagala ki nayo waayi olusirika lujja kuggwa nina bbiya ewaka nze nina ebbaala ewaka mulimu bbiya nawe eno rolex yaddala Kwazi kopu yeri mu kantini. Tontoza mbigambo mali mwakulawo. So guys, olungenda mu KFM. Kansoke ndeke nga owa isoko nzigulire kokko wano. Oyo no musajja ali emabega yerama. Musajja waffe wano nozo omulaba. Naye Rama oyina omutwe yarabbi.
Tekwekana kwa Kayima.
Ye.
Tekwekana kwa Kayima. Yaya kwa Kayima mukazi mu maaso.
Yakoze. Abadde navuze takyakola mande. Kamalo genda edi yagwa. Kodi ngogamba nti kati. Ku kamera. Wabula Rama ojogo. Olikujozi kujogo nno kwotudde. Angaye bwa mmanja ayo mutwalo. Kusente zonna Brian zaakuwa omuvugo omuzeeno omuzeeri. Naye Rama. Izana kusetingira akalimu. Naye era omutwalo ago. Naye Abannayuganda. Rama, temusiima Abannayuganda.
Wano mu pressure up temumusiima.
Manda ikamala okujja. Katmos, meeting Jerry. Kale, come. Owa jango ntere muwano. Ben, nterano. Malo gendo kola.
Osobola kulano.
Ngam KFM, ngena sanga beautiful Pfizer. Beautiful Pfizer.
Sri Lankan president finally resigns and California fire threatens the world's largest trees.
So kwate mwao. Kende za mko.
Hello, baby cuckoos people. Mulimutia.
They're okay.
How was your weekend? Was it good?
Soko yongero ku radio singa kaitam totally off. Okay. Like that. Pfizer.
Yes. How was your weekend? What weekend ya mamaji did well? Kasuku.
This weekend we didn't meet anywhere. Yeah, but this weekend where are you?
Monday.
No, we plan earlier. Albert ndamumaliriza yakunyonyodde. Yeah, that's most important. By the way, Albert, I want to host you on my podcast.
Oh,
one of these days.
I'll be happy.
Yeah, I'll invite you. Naye tushootingira waggulu eyo. Wa? Naggulu ku lusozi waggulu. Albert, no, it's not Naggulu. It's Chisasi, but up, ku lusozi. So it's a bit cold but yeah. I want to host you and Albert and Mark.
Who's Mark?
Mark is the guy handling the podcast.
Oh.
Yeah, he's an IT guru. Very knowledgeable.
Kaheru. Not Kaheru. What is his name? There's a guy I know. I call him to be a podcast.
Yo.
Moteged.
More. Kansulete mwekwananga.
No, I know him. Akola Productions.
Yes, he's a very nice guy.
I know him.
Yari mukubinjigiriza.
Okay.
So Albert, I'll be expecting you. Well, with Pfizer, the beautiful, drop dead gorgeous
Thank you so
Pfizer.
much.
So,
To inviting up a podcast.
so Pfizer, those glasses, you're sick or it's just fashion?
Well, I can see without them, but yeah, I also need them.
Not fashion.
No, they're not fashion. Just that I want to. But okay, sometimes I want bandanga nzambade. Or bandanga sizambade. Actually, out there in public, te banda wanazo. But when I'm in studio here, zetaga because like is a number areas. I may not see them so clearly, so I wear them.
But do you know how many men now are getting soap? They are like, "Bana ekogera bulungi." Can you imagine? No, Pfizer, why do you laugh like that? Yes, so this is how we're going to be rolling with the beautiful Pfizer. Ngatona but tebana kuwasendeza ku influencing azawi.
Why? Baziresa na za dentini.
No zigoba.
They were more hiring on the Tamukasense.
Tinaba kuchimalayi.
Why? Omwana agawe bamuwadde akasende ko ku influencing azawi nga katini.
That was a winning Raji with Malika at 36 minutes after 9. It's a Monday, 11th of July, 2022. It is a media. You should be checking to see if those resolutions are coming through or not. And if not, you could come up with some new ones. Drop the ones that are just not working and don't respond to a cassava economy. All right. But we have Baby Kasuku joining us right now on the Mighty Breakfast.
That what when you say Baby Cuckoo, I just feel like I should give you a peg. You know, there's a way you say it, Baby Cuckoo.
Oh, no, Brian, you're
Brian, I'm Peter plain, plain chips. Agati, go Kasuku man, you gambo otya. By the way, Brian, to Charlie call for the other event, Joangamba?
Yes, sir.
They are another with some tent yao.
Yes, sir.
Now, could you have your kunywa, or we just come? No, I'm innocent. If you kunywa, you week.
Bro, come on, man.
And I have a lie, Munyambe ku event here, yo, Mbagambi Dewano. I'll be with my madam. Mbozako katini genda. Nadala bawala be Kampala, mbozako katini. Okay, take the Pfizer to gira dala.
Sigala yo.
Metabagala. Ebi wale ebyo zitu. Wabiroza mbachi. No munyo munna abakazi obanyunyula. Katuli mu lusirike waka. Tuli mu lusirika teri kwogera.
Mufati.
Nkugamba.
Otegedde.
Omukazi yakutte essimu etali. Yavuze oli namuteekako linnya ddala ye n'agikwata. Olive yagize daga nti Baby Cuckoo, how are you?
Nga wamusabira
nti baby nawe Baby Cuckoo nga toyogera. I'm missing you nojja. Nze ne muga nti wrong number. And what I go about Baby Cuckoo. So we are not talking. Yeah, manning. We shall talk eventually. Yes. Yes, we shall talk. I'm a hot guy. Look at me. You know, I'm totally unavoidable. Yes.
Kasuku otandiise okukuza amalala ga lwasa.
No, but it's the truth, Brian. Abasajja nganze tukyaliyo bangi. Zino breed katonda yazikomya. You find a chubby, handsome guy like me? Because together, chubby and fat and obese byanjawulo.
Gwe tojubisa gwe.
Pfizer si viyango jina. Pfizer, prepare your things. If we finish this week and we are not talking, yeah. Because, like the white man said, 1,000 flies
cannot stand in the way of the broom.
Thank you. So, over the weekend, some things happened. But there are two things I want us to talk about. One was that burial of Alexander Ndaula.
We heard that no artist turned up.
Yeah, but well, the man was dead. It's not like he was going to come back.
Yeah, but he played your music.
Yeah, he played their music. You see, the time I've been around
for
celebrities, musicians, you need to ask yourself, what is my relationship with these people? Why do they like me? You get it? Today there are people who say, oh my God, that Monday show without Kasuku, I feel like I've really not, you know.
I've missed.
But tomorrow someone else will sit here and still life will go on.
Yeah.
You get it? They used to tell us, oh my God, Malika, this is the way you do your thing. Navao. Maritza, do your thing. Today they're saying, oh, Pfizer. I got to go back home and Panay. Where did you get that brown chick? She's hot. You guys brought a brown chick. Oh, shaggy. So, brown caviars, you know, with a cute smile.
Tuchari kubantu yebogera obagwe
Tuchari kubantu yebogera na era nange ninabye njogera. Yes, I mean, why not? What are jewels to pigs?
Come on,
Ngende maso. Should I go on? So, I saw Lucky posted, there's Bright Baba, they posted. The good thing is you people buried. Yes.
The man now can live.
Yes, he's there. Yeah. You people buried. I want to people who tie themselves on celebrities. You see people there who are dying. You invite Bula for your wedding. Nagamba kati ngende yanga tekochi. Just get to understand, especially in this celebrity world of ours, people like you when you are there. Yeah. The moment you move away, they go for who will serve their purpose. Yes, who? Alex used to play their music, but now isn't their music still playing?
It's playing.
Yes, so
even more.
If the music was not playing, and it was only him who would play it, then it could have been understandable. Nayeba na basajja entambula je batambula to move on. Ata to make matters worse, ye ava mu limelight. There are people who die, nga they are still big. For example, Ronnie. Ronnie died, nga cha serving, nga his tie is still shining. Them they do. You before you ask us who didn't bury, go back. Go wamucharira kodi. Did you see the story they told us nga bela ka flat warm? No muvubuka mutambuza boba agenda yo dio mulabako
but bali bamulabirideko
bani
abo
ha story jenina ndala
wanje
no but when he was
story namaze nenjifuna wali wajiina era yangamba nanga katulinde bulinzi okuzika goma nti n'okuzika basonze busonzi. There's a full committee by OBs never sonda sent a full WhatsApp group to that effect. So the thing about Alex, one, I don't think he was so pro people. And yes, there is not so many people who say they knew him personally, so deep. He was, yeah. Yaringa akole chintu chena dayo naga na akole bibiye. Oboshtegera. So, let's not hold people at ransom. The good thing is he was buried with the respect he deserves. The rest we can only say rest in peace. And let us say, revel in his legacy.
Kasuku.
Oh, Kawuride.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah?
You know, if you're a celebrity and we meet you out there, I know we can say that no kwa no studio ne tukubonga kwa ne togera ku music, anyway ne twesanga ku events, I shouldn't tell people that, you know, is my friend.
You don't. Kadi brand yo mulaba. Yeah, I like brand so much. The way Brian does these things is what most of us should do. Brian kugamba, this is the work. We have a job to do. When you find Brian at his other office, the other side, he's not going to do you any favors. If you serve the purpose of what he has to do, he's going to tell you, come, we work. He's not going to do favors. Time emirundi emekaje wega ili deka free gundi kali. For free. He can put you, but he has to account.
You have to earn it.
Exactly. So what do you add there? So it's just us to chare made demo video into abazungu bavane bamuzika abantu batano. Yes.
And life goes on.
Even you, your best friend, nebata kuyita. Yes, no koma yawo. So people need to understand that in difference, and by the way, Brian, some of the best, the most in some ways sinzo kuba na zembi. Omuntu abera nawe for 10 years. Nalowooza anti, you know, you're working for KFM. After 10 years, you cease your usefulness. Yes, it hurts. They have to let you go for all these years, but you came. You're not the dream bearer.
Yeah.
The company is not yours. Even friends, we need to understand. if a friend is not serving the purpose anymore,
they need to go.
Tulino sigalanga tugenda maso. Inze baselebu na bategeera mangu. That is why you see, for me nze sina era bebayomba Kasuku teyemanyiza bantu. Because, well, you want me to play your music, I'm playing your music, that is it. That is we are not friends.
And the day your music stops
playing,
if you don't release quality music,
yes, we won't play it.
Because of something like that, you know, I'm your friend. Now releases some music one day. Juicy, but Brian, you're not playing my music, and you're like, and we've been friends. At least support me, you know, as your friend.
But now, like for this, and this is going to all artists who are listening to this show. Our music is best on research. We play music according to research. Yes. So tetumaraga tekamu songs feeding
because you are my friend.
And if your song is bad, I think we've even dissed some songs live on air.
Yes.
If your song is not good, we do that. We say, you know, I think it could have been done this way. And artists actually who have taken our advice have done so well. Yeah, they
in Ghana,
really
a TikTok influencer with 1.3 million followers was left stranded when no one showed up for the event she spent millions to organize. So you need to understand that that is how life happens. That is why most companies are saying, help us turn those numbers you have on social media into money. You get it? So if you're not bringing in that money, then it doesn't work that way. Now, Desire Luzinda and Levixone. The rumor is ripe.
It's confirmed.
I don't know yet.
There's a rumor, but it will be back with that.
We shall be back with it. But what I don't understand, beautiful Desire.
Oh my God.
How did you come to Kampala and you've not hollered at me?
She's in the country?
Yes, she is. Beautiful D. What? I mean, like, did you forget about me?
No,
it's not like me. We are not at the level of bonking. Yeah, we have, me and Desire have a friendship. That includes eating and drinking. Yeah, I mean, Desire, what is wrong with you? How do you come to town and we've not had a few drinks, a few eats together? Like how? No,
come on, man.
Beautiful D, come on. I mean, who does that? What is that?
The last time I saw Desire, she posted a picture of her daughter with, I think, Chameleon's son. Yeah.
But nah.
I didn't even know she was in the country.
Guns must roar. Yes. Guns will roar. I don't know. Kamukubireko wano mubuze mugambe nti Mr. Levixone
one time.
Levixone
Levixone
wano mubuze mugaye otuli wano ku KFM.
Naye
bino yetubulira bituufu. Ajja kwata Levixone inside owai kaneme mwesi bakonyo simanyi oba anakwata
atawuliriza she
oyizo gamba nti ajja kwata n'atakwata era nga bwaliko wano ndowooza okiwulira
oba ali
nkugambye oba ali ne beautiful D naye ruuma eyo ngiwulidde okumala ebbanga tekibanga kituufu kuba omuzungu yagamba there is really no smoke without fire. So I don't know. Let me try to get a Levixone. Neno batakwate ekivulu kinakola. Ate fa banakipushing atatukwate ekivulu kinakola. But well, wala kyenkugambye mbadde saagala kwekomitinga ate omwana ankutte
obulidde.
Akuwulira ku radio anti kati be batyo n'abantu be bakola ne bakubira principal n'atabakwata
ne
banyiga banyigira ki esimu etaliiyo. People get angry. There's something I don't understand. Like people say ne principal tumukubira takwata. I mean, what do you mean by we call him? It's his phone.
But Bluetoothing messages are
it is still his phone. Abantu buli wonomanya nti eyo simu yange kyangu
oja kukakana.
People need to understand, you can call me and I don't pick. Yes, kati gwe ninda nange benkukubira tokwata
Kakati mamba kwetaga.
Chiveko.
Ti baby nkwata bulungi.
But the commentary is about to give birth.
Oh, really?
Naye good, you saw the guy, he's chubby. Naye
Kulaba gyogenda.
Commentary akuboyo chubby guy amusanze ayise. Commentary yali hot. Nze namulabako mu 2011 yawo 12. Face to face awo ku garden city awo.
Iwo. You don't know.
Entunulira akawala ke nali nkwana ebyo biseera nenga wati sente zange kalya zaaki. Era nakata. Olwo mwana gwolaba noga no. Something is wrong, I'm telling you.
Yes. Something on the side. Something.
But then yesterday we were playing Joe Thomas.
Yeah.
Hane Joe oyo yali tasaga nga akuba music.
Abana bamulekera obupale bonna.
Pozi yajjako wano.
Etajangako.
Yes, no, Joe has Joe. No,
Yaja mu safari.
Joe has ever come here.
Jazz safari.
Yes. He has ever come here. Nga akuba.
Ne yajja akaddiye nnyo.
Yayita nakaddiwa naye nga ku chat avuddeko. Ku chat yali avuddeko buvi. Yali takaddiye. Tomukuba nnyo musajja wange oyo. I used to like his music. It was a very Joe. Some of his songs include what? Joe Thomas. Some of his songs. Some of his songs include
a discollocation.
Why? Enyimba za Joe Thomas. Why? Njagala kuddamu kubira Levixone ono. Naye manyi nti alayiko okuba kwali. Kwali atuwuliriza. Atubuulire. Ate design na WhatsApp ye. Sina direct call. Oba yeebase.
Nga yasuza akola.
Naku zino ba akuba nnyo up country eyo. Naye kali ba Levixone bafunidde ddala mu gospel music. Okimanyi ekyo? Gospel music bamufunyemu. Naye I was imagining Levixone undressing Desire Luzinda.
Naye bannange. Lwaki olowooza ebintu ebyo?
No, definitely when they say people are going to introduce now, like they've said, you need to begin imagining. Exactly. If I sent you a text, Faiza, and said like, Faiza, I love you so much, and like, Kuku, I love you, and you know, and like we are talking love, the first impression I have in my mind, I'm like, what does she look like when she's naked? That's the point where people say, Mpereza akonda record nudes. Just remove your head. You send.
But why do you need to send that? No,
I need to entice the imagination. You get it? I need to entice the imagination and be like, okay. Well, I think because now, Faiza, you could be having a black bum, yet this side you're brown. Like, okay, there's something like, is your ass brown? No, I'm just asking to find out. Like, there's something I need to understand. Like, those men who are brown is. Like the whole body is brown, including the wee-wee?
Of course, everything is brown.
Even the wee-wee?
Everything is brown.
For men?
Yes.
Everyone.
Because they told us those parts be black.
As long as you're naturally light-skinned, your entire body is light-skinned. Of course, you might have different skin tones because some places are hit by sun. Like your face will have probably be slightly darker than the rest of your body. But
so for you, like it's Brian, have you dated a chick who has bleached? I think I may be forced to find a bleach. But even those I need to know, like, bleached. when they're brown, like the face, do they bleach the arms behind? What happens?
They bleach the chuchu.
Light skin, no, but these ones.
There's this who take injections.
Those ones,
they become light skin the whole body
because it alters your melanin completely.
Wow. So they bleach their chuchus.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So bad black bleached their chuchu.
Oh well.
Ameno, the remix, Go Ameno and Nicktunes at 6 minutes to the top of the hour. The Mighty Breakfast, Brian and Faiza. We still have Baby Cook joining us.
Oh no, there's a show being advertised on. We have a co-worker. She's organizing a show over this weekend. But the title is what really impresses me. Amarobozi Mchisenge.
Wanji? Anyoni.
Nantume. So when you say because there is competitions for like on stage, people are going to come. So a couple that will be the best at doing those voices is walking away with 500K.
Where is this going to be?
You want to attend?
So you want to attend?
It should be interesting.
It is.
I'll just come for research purposes.
It is content for the go.
Yeah.
That's very sweet content.
Where is it?
It's at Woma. Go. So
what police
honestly, I don't know, but I want to see. There are things I'm eager to see my entire life. I want to see exactly how it's going to be. So when you said baby cuckoo, that's what came to my mind. I was like, well, if you're calling me baby cuckoo here, well. So we're talking about Levixone. I've tried calling Levixone. I think he's listening in. Yeah. He doesn't want to comment.
He listens to our show.
But Levixone, if indeed it's true, raise your hand. I'm on WhatsApp. Just raise your hand. Na hey, my Desire lokoka.
Yes.
She got saved. No, Desire did. She enjoyed her life. There is a stage where you can no kiliza.
And you say
you say like, okay, if God has taken me through all this, it's
okay.
that time. Okay. And of course, Kadinala Grace Nachimera Bani, she moved into charity and all those things. Yes. You sing, and yeah, so you choose to go into, as you fade away from the limelight slowly. But yeah, the rumor is ripe. They're saying introduction is this weekend. I don't know how true it is. Well, we are waiting to see. I don't want to speculate on Levixone and Desire. Why? Because unlike other celebrities, I have access to both of them. So I can easily ask them whether it is true or not.
So you will confirm to us next week?
I will well, if it indeed is true that the introduction is this weekend,
we shall know.
By next weekend, by next week, ojako wachitegera. Naye Levixone obera tukubi omupiira munene. Taking the beautiful Desire. Naye kati at what age does defilement stop? I'm just asking, at what age does defilement stop? Sigamye kon someone is defiling the other. Defilement yakoma ku myaka 18?
18.
Okay. So if Desire is like 40,
Levixone should be 30.
Is Levixone 30?
Isn't he 30? Just 10 years.
I'm pretty sure he's older than that.
Is older than
30. But it's the heart. Desire's heart might be like 25.
The heart wants what it wants.
That's right.
You know that song?
That's true.
Yes. So
can you sing it?
I get a bit. I don't
know. The heart wants what it wants. How was what it wants? Oh.
That beautiful Desire. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. So my imagination, like I told you, I was just imagining like Desire turning around if it is true.
Let's go.
And it's telling Levixone, please remove the brass straps. And then it's the side they are singing Zenine Chitone ha ha. Na Desire atakubanyi yakwesibako. Nze monange. Mpita na Desire tuliemu tunywemu. How do you come from America? And you don't bring me
and
anything.
She looks so nice.
But Desire is hot.
She looks so nice with her daughter.
She has that glow.
Nakola kone Desire. Nga Desire ampa mbenzi ye. Kati, Kasuku, someone is picking me. You take this car. I'll find you with it tomorrow. Wallahi, gasimaina bebali nyako break. Nangamba pos you don't know how to drive. There's one time she gave me her ATM card at Housing Finance. Around 2011. Then she tells me, Gendo Jeko Sente, and you bring back my card. The account balance is 100 plus M on the account. Ningamba,
you are confused.
Kasuku. I thought you were going to take like 2M. waliwo ye housing finance eryawo enakaseraawo ATM yaabwe simanyi oba ekyaliwo so Desire ye bambi talina mutima mubi naye tulina abantu betukoze nabo talina kaaviibwako
naye asiiba Switzerland
ngamba atupatu oba kati ate ono Katonda yatuwa waaki kitegeera kati Faiza tuli naye wano tagamba nti Kasuku bring your passport we stamp Saudi Arabia we go okitegeera naye Faiza oba mwe bakyotalabe ejjinja
Bazari.
No, but I actually have family in Ginger, of course. But yeah. But also my family is in Saudi.
Faiza tagana go Saudi.
You've never gone to Saudi Arabia?
No, but I want to go.
But your dad is still alive?
No,
Papa passed.
He passed, but our family is there.
Faiza, we no gende Saudi Arabia.
Faiza ngenda kati tata ate baba yafa. Ndi mulekwa ate nawe oli mulekwa.
Kale no.
Nkugambe.
Faiza ne nyambala ye Saudi baba.
Bisobola. Tola nti ayambala biwanvu abikako bubisi wano ku mutwe.
Bali toyina kwoleka okujjaka.
Bagenda babita kati ne mu sinema bagenda ne mmotoka bavuga. Abakazi tebakyebikirira bino byaki kati babikako wano.
Naye nze nalaba omukazi e Dubai ng'alya bw'ati.
Ng'alya yeebikiridde.
So
I think guys that will be it.
N'abantu balaze Kathy and Agena.
Sweet Kathy.
Anayogera oluzungu
abo bakathe be bagamba nti you want to bam bam, you want to chill with the big boys.
Omwana omuwira anayogera oluzungu n'oganda
Sweet Kathy. The news in KFM. I'm Catherine again. Yo. Luciana Mubulu. Owa abantu madde manyumiza olusekerwa for Friday. Yeah? Twadde kana amatakiro ngabina. Naye ndowooza bana Ruth just say hi and okay can go over. Bana hi obagambe bye.
Hello, hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well and bye.